There's a fire up on the hill.
It's got a bonfire going on.
No,
We can say if we can get to the checkpoint.
at least it makes sense why there's fire. Oh man, look at the scorch. Oh, that's the car fire. That's what started. Look at the car's
Whoa.
burned out.
Dang.
Goodness.
Look at this area.
Man, it's freaking lit. Well, we get why it's. It's burning away. It's burning that grass.
What the heck?
Look, the whole smells good. It smells delicious. I hope that wasn't a person. God. Look, it burned along the road and up the hill.
Whoa.
That's pretty crazy. I'm gonna keep recording. Oh, it's still smoldering up there.
Turn it off. It's as good as the smell.
It's like a barbecue.
It smells really good.
Yeah. Well, it's a vehicle lit on fire. Oh, it looks like it's burning down there too. Hey, look, the wood rails are on fire. The whole freaking hill burned down.
Holy crap.
I got this on camera.
Whoa.
Holy crap, this is a lot bigger than I thought it was. Whoa. That's cool. You know, second wildfire we've driven through, actually.
Damn, you can see it there. Dang.
The whole hillside's on fire. I wonder if it's burning out here.
Glad you got that video.
Yeah, it's good. 2 minutes of video.
It's insane.